You can hear the machine. We're gonna make a latte. This is a single shot, and so we're gonna pour milk in, and we're gonna use a simmer to check the simmer is working. The coffee is soft. Now we're gonna make the latte. That's the steam button. Is the steaming the milk. As you can see, it's gonna get warmer. We just had training yesterday to make the perfect latte. Stop, and then we're gonna clean it first thing, and then that's it. And we pour a latte. My God, latte art. There you go. Perfect. Thank you.